What if I told you the best life coach in the world doesn't charge a dime? And it's probably sitting in your pocket right now? No fancy office, no waiting for appointments, just pure on-demand guidance whenever you need it most. This is the power of AI, and today I'll show you how to use it to level up your life. Welcome back to Tworked, the channel where we only share strategies that actually work. Let's dive in. What even is a life coach? A life coach isn't a therapist or a guru. They're a guide, a mirror, someone who helps you get from where you are to where you want to be. They help with clarity. What do you really want? Accountability. Are you doing the work? Mindset. Are your thoughts helping or hurting? Strategy. What's your next best step? Belief. Do you believe in yourself enough to keep going? Support. Are you surrounded by voices that lift you up or drag you down? It can be your sounding board, your guide, even your cheerleader. Guess what? With the right prompts, AI can do all of this and more. Why AI is perfect for coaching. AI has a superpower most people ignore. It listens without judgment. It remembers your goals. It asks powerful questions. It never gets tired, bored, or impatient. In other words, it's the ultimate consistency machine. And that's exactly what most people need to succeed. But there's more. AI never forgets your wins. It can gently remind you of your why. It adapts to your energy, your pace, and your style of communication. It's there at 3 a.m. when you can't sleep. It's there when motivation runs dry. And it's always ready to reflect your best self back to you. In short, AI gives you structure and freedom, accountability and encouragement, logic and empathy. And that's what most of us need to stay on track. Here's how you can turn tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini into your personal life coach, starting today. 5 ways to use AI as your life coach. Doc 1. Morning clarity sessions. Start each day with a 5-minute check-in. Just ask, "Good morning, coach. Help me reflect and set intentions for today." AI can guide you through questions like, what's your focus for today? What are 3 things you're grateful for? What would make today a win? What obstacles might come up? How will you respond when challenges hit? You can even have it review yesterday. What did I do well yesterday? What needs improvement? This habit creates self-awareness. It shifts you out of autopilot, and it reminds you you're in charge of your day. Want to go deeper? Ask your AI, what quote or affirmation can set the tone for me today? It's like having a motivational coach whispering in your ear every morning. Number 2, goal tracking and habit coaching. Got goals? AI helps you break them down into action steps. Example prompt, act as my habit coach. I want to build a consistent gym routine. Keep me accountable and ask me for updates every morning. You can even have it check in with you. Did you follow through today? What went well? What needs improvement? It's like having a personal trainer for your brain. AI can help you set smart goals, create weekly and monthly targets, celebrate your milestones, track habit streaks, send you daily motivation. You can even build a system together. Let's create a 30-day habit tracker for waking up at 6 a.m., drinking water, and reading 10 pages. Want to level up? Ask, what's one small change I can make this week to move closer to my dream life? This turns AI into your daily compass, keeping you aligned and accountable. Number 3, rewire your mindset in real time. Mindset makes or breaks everything. Feeling stuck? Procrastinating? Beating yourself up? Tell your AI coach, I'm feeling like a failure. Help me shift perspective. And boom, instant reframes, affirmations, and mental shifts. AI can help you challenge limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering thoughts. You're not failing, you're learning. Keep going. Want to challenge your thinking? I have a limiting belief that I'm not smart enough. Help me reframe this. AI can offer journaling prompts, guide you through cognitive reframing, suggest inspiring stories, coach you through fear and doubt. You can even say, act as a mindset coach. Help me develop more grit, resilience, and confidence. This is emotional fitness, and you've got a virtual trainer 24/7. Number 4, role play your best self. This one's powerful. Ask AI to become your future self. Pretend you're me, but 5 years ahead, successful, disciplined, fulfilled. What advice do you have for present-day me? Or, be my inner champion. Remind me why I started and why I can't give up. Even better, role play as my wiser self during hard moments. What would they say to encourage me? You can also reverse it. Act as my inner critic. What lies is it telling me? Help me fight back with truth. This creates internal dialogue. It strengthens your identity. It makes your growth tangible. These role-play sessions can shift your mindset like nothing else. Number 5, 24/7, decision support. Big decision. Don't go in blind. Ask your AI coach, help me weigh the pros and cons of quitting my job to start a business. Or, what questions should I ask myself before making this decision? AI can help you explore values alignment, long-term versus short-term impact, opportunity cost, emotional readiness, logical reasoning. It can even simulate both outcomes. Play out both scenarios and show me what each path could look like. It's not about getting the perfect answer. It's about gaining clarity so you move forward with confidence. AI is logic-based, non-emotional, and thorough. It won't tell you what to do, but it will help you think clearer. Example in action. Let's walk through a quick example. Let's say you've been procrastinating all week. You type into ChatGPT, coach me through procrastination. I want to be productive, but I feel stuck and overwhelmed. You might get, let's break it down. What task are you avoiding? What's the first tiny step you could take right now? Imagine you've already done it. How would that feel? Boom, you're thinking clearly. You're taking action. And you didn't scroll social media to distract yourself. That's coaching in real time.
Real quick, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more awesome people like you. And if you're new here, subscribe for more contents to improve your life. Now back to it.
How to set it up. Here's how to make AI your actual life coach. Step 1, pick your tool. I recommend ChatGPT, GPT-4 for better emotional coaching, or any generative AI of your choice. Step 2, set a coaching prompt. Example, act as my personal life coach. Help me stay on track, reflect daily, challenge my mindset, and build discipline. Keep things conversational and empowering. Save this in your chat or notes. Step 3, create a schedule. Morning check-in, evening reflection, weekly planning, monthly goal review. You can automate reminders or just commit to showing up consistently. What AI can't replace? Now listen, AI is amazing, but it's not magic. It can't replace human emotion, spiritual wisdom, or deep personal intuition. AI can guide, but you still have to walk the path. It can suggest habits, but only you can build them. So treat it like a partner, not a savior. Here's your challenge. Try using AI as your life coach for just 7 days. Start every morning with this prompt. Hey coach, help me focus today. What do I need to remember? And before bed, what did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? You'll be amazed by how much clearer, calmer, and more motivated you feel. If it works for you, drop a comment below. If it doesn't, still comment. Let's figure it out together. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll catch you on the next one. Because when you take action, it worked.